Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. This time we're doing a box of 2011-2012 Panini Pinnacle that ended last night on eBay. That would be April the 8th between the times of 7:45 and 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Current eBay time is, with a drum roll, Tuesday, April the 9th at 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I'm live right now on RYDLAR99.tv, and we're going to do the break right now. You see there's a little bit of a lag here. We're going to do the break right now live for those watching. We have 10 viewers, and yeah, then we will upload it to YouTube for those of you who are waiting for it on YouTube. NE 9936476 is the serial number. I'm going to pop open the webcam right now, show that to you. Just remember the 762 is the last three digits here. NE 9936476 was, of course, a sealed box of Pinnacle. Wouldn't do it any other way, and neither should you. I want to thank everybody for participating in this break. Remind you, I do have 5 or 6 more boxes going tonight on eBay, including a box from a hot case of Dominion, if anybody's interested in getting involved in that. Other than that, I just want to mention I do a lot of off eBay breaks now. So I'm doing Wednesday night, so that's tomorrow night. I will have a $17 3-box mini with random teams, and I will have a $38 6-box break with Dominion in it. Oh, almost slipped over. Big pile there. Alrighty, let's get going. Base cards do not ship out of Pinnacle, and actually I'm not even going to read out the names of all the base cards because we want to get this video going fairly fast here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually lots of hits out of Pinnacle though, so don't have to worry about that. Usually get something decent. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. Game night threads for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Smith. Ryan Smith for the Oilers. We have a Pinnacle rookie of Brandon Said for the Chicago Blackhawks. I'll just kick back in. Oh, base, base, base. Don't worry. Base, base, base. Start going fast when all I see is base. We have for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry, Newfax Parallel, base card parallel, 1 per box usually. And some more base. We have for the Detroit Red Wings, fans of the game, Dave Hansen autograph. It's kind of cool. No numbering on the back. Not a bad hit though. Hard sign auto. Pinnacle breakthrough for the Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. Tough times for the Toronto Maple Leafs of Wendell Clark. Pinnacle rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Patrick Wierciach. Nice day out there today. Some good backlighting. We have a Revolution die cut for the Buffalo Sabres, Tyler Ennis, with a chomp taken out of it. That focus catch back up. For the Nashville Predators, who are doing very well today, Craig Smith, Pinnacle rookie. Pinnacle Threads for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Luke Shen. Pinnacle Breakthrough for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Claude Giroux for the Philadelphia Flyers, Pinnacle Breakthrough. We have for the Anaheim Ducks, Maxime Masonauer, Pinnacle rookie. A handful of packs left here. Towers keep getting taller in base. Two packs left. We have a Team Pinnacle. So this will be a randomized card between Milan Lucic and the Boston Bruins and Henrik Zetterberg and the Detroit Red Wings. So Boston and Detroit will be randomized to win that card. A decoy and some more base. Last pack, guys. All base here. Alright, so let's do the Team Pinnacle one. I'm just going to pop that open. Boston and Detroit. Boston Bruins, Detroit Red Wings. Red Wings, there we go. Hit randomized 5 times. Team on top wins the card. Ready? 1, Detroit's on top. 2, Boston's on top. 3, Boston's still on top. 4, Boston's still on top. What is our 79, 10? And the winner is the Boston Bruins. Win the card. So that's it for the box of Pinnacle. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. Wish everybody good luck in their future breaks. And again, remind everybody, if you want to, I do have breaks going tomorrow night, Wednesday night. That is a 3-box mini and a 6-box mid break if anybody wants in. All right, guys? Hit me up. RYDLAR99.com. Have a good one.